Gel UV LED Nail Lamp LKE Nail Dryer 40W Gel Nail Polish LED UV Light with 3 timers Professional Nail Art Tools Accessories White Dye Power and Smart 40W Nail Lamp with 21 PCS LED lights 110 to 240 voltage 0.3 TIMER 3060s 99s for your choose LCD screen and smart sensor. Put your hand in curing lamp and the LED lights will automatic lighting. User-friendly design, easy to clean, lightweight curved housing design, protect your eyes, soft light prevents browning of your skin. Applications dry most nail UV gel UV top coat UV builder gel and LED nail gel.But can't dry the gel that no contain of like regular polish. Save your money, you can nails at home instead of going to salon.The nail lamp also perfect gift for family and friends. Warm tips, please read the product tips carefully and follow these steps. Firstly, connect it to the device with the adapter, then plug the adapter to the socket. Finally, turn on the socket. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.